The cheerful town of Orange was bustling with activity as Luffy strolled down its main street, his straw hat bobbing with each step. Beside him walked Nami, her sharp eyes scanning their surroundings. The sweet aroma of ripe oranges filled the warm air. "I'm so hungry," Luffy complained, rubbing his empty stomach. "Let's find some meat." Suddenly, the ground trembled. A thunderous roar echoed through the streets as a massive lion with a golden mane leapt onto the road, blocking their path. Its powerful muscles rippled beneath its fur, and its sharp claws gleamed in the sunlight. Riding atop the beast was a man in a spotted coat, Machi, the beast tamer of the buggy pirates. Well, Machi sneered, twirling his whip. "Look what we have here. Richie, my pet, seems we've found some intruders." Nami's eyes widened in alarm. "Luffy, be careful. That lion is enormous." Luffy's face lit up with excitement. "Wow, a real lion. This is going to be fun." Richie growled deeply, saliva dripping from his fangs. With a powerful leap, the lion lunged at Luffy, swiping with his massive paws. Luffy quickly bent his rubbery body backward, narrowly avoiding the attack. "Not bad," Luffy laughed. "But try this." He stretched his arms behind him, gripping a nearby lamppost. Gum Gum Rocket! Like a slingshot, Luffy launched himself forward, crashing into Richie's side. The lion yelped in surprise as the impact sent him tumbling across the street, knocking over several fruit stands. Moki's face twisted in anger. "You little brat! How dare you hurt my Richie!" He pulled out a silver whistle and blew a sharp note. From the surrounding alleys emerged more fearsome animals, a snarling wolf with bared teeth, a massive python slithering across the ground, and a towering bear standing on its hind legs. Nami gasped, "He controls all these animals too." Luffy simply grinned. More friends to play with. The wolf attacked first, darting toward Luffy with lightning speed. Luffy quickly wrapped his arms around a nearby tree and swung himself upward, delivering a powerful kick to the wolf's snout as he passed overhead. The python slithered forward, attempting to coil around Luffy, but the rubber boy stretched his neck upward, escaping the snake's tightening grip. "Too slow," he teased. Finally, the bear charged with a mighty roar. Luffy took a deep breath and lowered his head. "Gum Gum Bell!" He headbutted the bear square in the nose, causing it to whimper and retreat, rubbing its sore snout. Matcha trembled with rage. "Fine! If my beasts can't handle you, I'll take care of you myself." He cracked his whip toward Luffy, but the rubber boy caught it mid-air. "Thanks for the toy," Luffy said, giving the whip a mighty tug. Matcha yelped as he was yanked off his feet, flying through the air before landing unceremoniously in a pile of hay. Panting, Matcha sat up, his hat askew. "How are you so strong?" Luffy adjusted his straw hat with a confident smile. "Because I have friends to protect." Just then, a familiar sinister laughter echoed through the streets. "Machi, you incompetent fool!" Luffy turned toward the voice. "Huh? Who's that?" Nami grabbed his arm urgently. "That's Buggy the Clown. He's the real danger here." Luffy clenched his fists, his expression turning serious. "Then let's go meet him."